Master Koshikidake, what is the purpose of Shugendo?
Okay, I told you that is a big question, and I have been seeking an answer for a few decades. I'm worrying about this situation of the world. Now, people have become a kind of transporter of virus which can harm and damage each other. The globalization has almost ruined on this planet. Barriers, separation, and limits are spread everywhere. I think this situation exposes the purpose of Shugendo clearly. As I have been explaining, nature is a kind of device of purification for human, and also it is a gift from universe. We have to reconsider the value of nature. I hope that Shugendo will be a one of the hint to regain a true value of humanity.